Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video the Form 2441, which is titled Child Independent Care Expenses. And this is expenses for families who work and maybe go to school, who need child care services for their children while they do those things. And so if you're using a child care center, uh, you would definitely want a good one. And it can be pricey for that. And so the IRS will help you with some of that cost by letting you write off a portion of that expense on your tax return. So they raised the dollar amounts that we use to calculate this credit with now with 8,000 and 16,000. 8 for one child, 16,000 for two. And so if you don't qualify for child care expenses through your job or child care assistance through a program because you make too much money, uh, then you can definitely get your statement from the child care center showing how much you paid for child care expenses for the year. Bring that statement into your tax professional. They will definitely take that, put that inside your file, put that expense on your tax return. And this time you get a refundable portion of that towards your refund total, which is calculated like this. You have earned income credit, you have, it used to be called a district child tax credit, which is 8812, which they changed the name of this year to uh, child and other dependent credits. And then we have American Opportunity Credit. It's another refundable credit you might can get if you had that type of credit if you had college age students who went to college. And then we have the Recovery Rebate Credit, which dealt with the stimulus money. Uh, and everybody at this point hopefully got the stimulus situation out of the way. And then now we're talking about uh, the child care expense refundable portion. So those different credits added up together as a total, minus any taxes you owe on the money that you made, will equal a refund amount. So in this here, this is the form for 2021. The first part is for the provider, either a person or organization who took care of your kids while you're working with the school. And then from here we go to section two for the dependent section. So out of the two kids, based on how much you paid, we basically divide the amounts between the two, which came out to $8,259 in child care expenses. The $14,008 is what they use for as income for the self-employed person. And so this is how they calculate the credit. And basically, on 8, they're using a flat rate of 50% right here to determine what credit and what refundable credit portion you will get. And so in this scenario, this person is getting $4,130 in refundable child care expense credit back from the $8,259 they paid during the year to a child care provider. And so if that's you, then that's definitely going to help your overall refund amount for 2021. Another change they made was they lowered the age for earned income credit for single people who have no children. So instead of being 25 and single with no children, I think they lowered it to 19 uh, single with no children, which helps you qualify for some type of earned income credit, which won't be much based on the dollar amount, but something is better than nothing for single people. Another change that they made for this year was the advanced child tax payment that you received in 2021. They sent out a letter 6419 with a dollar amount on it that they say they sent you. Now, if you believe and you can prove that you got all your money through direct deposit and you didn't get the total amount that's on the letter that they sent you, and you got direct deposit payments showing less than that, what I suggest you do is not to hold up your whole refund for a little money, but to process your original refund, get that, and then pursue what discrepancy you might have when it comes to the payments you received in the letter that they gave you saying this is what they gave you, opposed to having your whole refund tied up in a whole another year, especially if you're one of the people who didn't get a refund for last year anyway. So if you're in that same boat, where you didn't get a refund yet from last year, you definitely want to play those games with having a discrepancy and a disagreement about how much money they say they gave you versus how much the letter say they gave you. You don't want to play them games. You know what I'm saying? And if you're the person who got a refund already for last year, you definitely want to put yourself in a situation where they're going to take forever to figure that stuff out because they got to manually verify and check that before they process your return and send you any money. You don't want to put yourself in that predicament either. So the best solution would be to process your return without any discrepancies, get your original refund amount first, and then follow back with your tax professional to pursue that issue concerning the child advance tax credit payments that you say doesn't match the 6419 letter. So again, those are some of the changes that's taking place for this upcoming tax season for people who qualify for those different credits and situations as it relates to their individual income tax returns. So if you're looking to get your tax returns done professionally and accurately based on your individual situation, I prepare income taxes for individuals as well as self-employed and small business owners, while I help maximize their profits through tax deductions. So if you need those services done, you don't have a regular tax professional that you go to right now, and you looking to find someone that you can connect with and make you a permanent tax professional for years to come, consider me as that person who can make it happen for you by setting up a 15-minute free consultation, by reaching out to me through my email, through my phone, or texting me. Those are the three options. Or leaving me a comment on my YouTube channel if you follow me on YouTube uh, will be the way to go. And so if you're looking to start your own tax preparation business, then my coaching program is designed for women who are looking to make that happen, who believe in coaching and mentorship as a way to go to help fast track their success and getting to where they want to go inside their business much faster, much quicker, and more efficient than they ever can do on their own, especially being new to starting your own business in this career industry of tax preparation and taxation. So if you have any questions or concerns, uh, let me know where you at in your journey, either we're looking to start your own tax preparation business or your tax preparation needs for filing your individual income taxes for the upcoming tax season. Either side of the spectrum you fall on, let me know. Reach out to me. Let's talk. Let's chat. Let's connect to see if I'd be a good fit for working with you for this upcoming tax season and this upcoming year. And I'll definitely see you in my next video.